Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Ngazina ni Dukan Suhana ni Mwana ndo wa Mahunguni. I hope anifune baba honi you're still having some great time, you're still vibing. Disonda haba zikareke bakwa zikarikeni. Ba midavini bakwa midavini. Bazipi na zipi bakazwabo. Mara mapungwasi hayo. I know most of the time when I say things, depends on the jina matadandi ndiko semiwa depends on the inbox you and go WhatsApp biwa yo ziavu yavanda. But sometimes you need to tell it like it is. Wakobon. There's an issue in it. I think is the problem in most of our artists zafono yani ndiambakala Venda Learn To music wa show kule radio ni music wa show ko verera music wa show kwita mini mara we all know we work with Yamini mostly. Zinozo idea ndizori we can't work together. Hezo zitia zo idea nakazi business manda. Not zarendi the Venda page mara as a whole of South Africa. Banga says most of the South Africans or most of the blacks we can't work together. And a problem yore aradi nenda wandu go shuma. Ndito doshumani ndote I can't partner, I can't source, I can't do this. Vanga siza kama muziki wa yani vanga wanori rasa za mrawa nenge musipo zozo wachiko dia ngamanda achisiko chipinga chino vanga wanori wachigomboza wakongo uri wa partner na gani wa feature na mi. People always hated chigomboza uri uko kopa zozo uko dita zozo uko ita mini forgetting uri music in the music chingondo ndi chingondo as genre ya hoyo mutu hanguri itoma asiyawe na ti wakongo na msi. So it's been a problem for years and years and years. Bamba, it was all good, it was all dope, it was all crazy. But society and Zori, most of about they didn't like the fact you're a bamba rala, achikobori uko dropa music wawe, uko shumi sana wange batu. Most people will criticize or renew to Moraida Cafemia and new Kitamini. But if you look on the other side, the Renzini one of Oskido, they're still relevant with DJ Tira and a lot of other artists. Is because they work with upcoming artists. Or when actually want a chance to sign you and I want a chance to blow up. They continue to work na the same people we never vulnerable pass ngongwana ndri orala azola ni wanori uko make sure uko put her on maji double bricks na mini ndruko shumiwa like we all go together zino Venda ndori arade sazinoranga sedzani. They've been status and go postiwa mostly on Facebook na the social media zizingu kwambori no ni botodo urinishime na makazi. But these people have been working na makazi all along. What is wrong with those people who washime na makazi once again? Yes, or blower up. Would the blower up are remain on top for how long? I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Or if a prefix akungo shumana makazi orala uko puta makazi uko jia prefix amupa chance uri again. So problem ya Venda mostly ndiori have verera mti we block the rest arto diruwa ngwe baimbi usuke hune ba vereran with the tika on mti achiwa then we spend years ko to da mngona the verera food instead we put each other on nduri arari hajena mti uko koza bangwe ba mti akokoza mti akokoza mti. Come on. I've seen the post what kwamba budi since budi jenanenge kazi idols aimba mina I think the one what the feature na. Yes, he needs to pull other artists on. Zikonda hani urinishumisa ne sabatu bahasho. No, we need to learn to work with one another, not against each other. Come on. The only problem you're in one about succeed and mapungori artodi utikana, artodu utusana, artodori mutu muti abe muti for how long, guys? Why can't we just start something it's working, and then when it's working we push each other, we put each other on, we do this, we do that. Now there's all these other guys when TV because they're helping each other. How about you do a song and then you put me on, then I'm gonna put you on radio and I'm gonna put you on TV because I'm already getting a play, I'm already on TV. So if na shumara and then revenge, which help na machero when your music is not booming, you can still go back to those guys. Bani tu sana wekana wanna push navo and we do something. Business wise, nangasazani abongo batonewa wanataka kulida hey ziphaza burjera. No, alabana but just talk about tuwa bote. Ngrindo na mko tuwa uko stoka bote ziphaza zote zistoka ngakati. abaitisa zori mumwe na mumwe ana chiphaza chawangena vanena wamaswina niko semana na mini vakona pata zviphaza chitrata chimwe na chimwe zvikotevererana uri mumwe na mumwe wa chitrata achi ṱoḓo renga u ḓo ako renga khavho ani nga vhi ni khou renga huṅwe. But rene we wouldn't do that. We become enemies. Tomono beef and a meaning as a diss track. You always fighting. One thing I'm telling you. What is this song or what is buzz or what is music if you ain't paying the bills with it? If mapunga dopera ne pako sema batu no nazwezo, you're not getting gigs, you're not getting anything. Wait. Let's learn to work with one another. Let's back each other up. Kobona artikane arishumisane ariliche mapungori ni ukwine ndizo nadono chifi mutu mushumoni wawe una post nigga won't even come and tell you hey muna abenge mushumoni anga una post and asakondi sari possessive kana dani dipangere kana email ke ndofa nanu bafanga manda mtu ngasi there's no need you're in movies. Have you ever tried? Why can't we put each other on? Zoro wa vapas do lena yo panda as long as you put somebody on. No one amos. I'm telling you the truth, man. I know that there's things that I end up getting threatened. You know, hey, come zero. You know how it is. Yeah, we get threatened. We get told a lot of shit. Yeah, all those bullshit kind of thing. But in the life, in the entertainment industry that we on. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, Nizori, if one artist is going up, as Yambizoro Kotea by imbi both nganda. You need to put other artists on. You need to push with them. After Rimbo, you don't have any other song. But if no dear yes, as is an upcoming Mara, he's good. Then you feature him with anyone as a fan. Because one thing people don't know, if no one fan is a 500, then a feature I'm to one fan is a 1,000. 300 yawe ko do join ka hela 500 yanu na bana 8 hola ni boy wa 5 wa 1000 nene wa diwana bangwe banu ba 400 ba nge bana 1.4 ndi layer riko pata riko gonyo ko bona we going up. So what I'm saying is ori are good ushumisana rota. Let's forget ori hey I'm not getting a play. If you go na waniko ulwa no niko tikedzana niko pusha ni like haba utility. Yeah, the same thing I'm saying right now. I'm going to be told, Toma. Yeah, not Toma, but whoever listens will listen. Work with one another. What are you beefing and dissing each other for? At that moment, nigga, you ain't getting shit out of that thing. What's the use of wasting energy instead of putting it in a positive way? Instead of, like, your energy is always negative. And I'm wanna. But nichimwana niwe makone so hey man, what's up? Hey, I'm fine. Where you rather this mara man? Yeah man, hey. Okay. Is it about during the one commenting on Facebook? They ain't paying you shit. They ain't doing anything. Let's learn repate, reshume, rote. So guys, that's all I wanted to say right now. Let's learn to work with one another, not against each other. That's the topic for this fandak. If there's something you want me to look at and you want me to talk about it, you can still hit me up and then I can look at it and then I can still put it out. There's a lot of things that people want to know. If it's about music, you can also comment, subscribe, and share. And you can also ask me some questions. Yeah, I'll tell you. If I have the answers, I'll come and then I'll drop an episode. You can, suggest anything that you think that I need to look at. And then I'm going to do that for you guys. You work so hard in this music, guys, but you know panda ngantanori biluni zawewe no bilufara ni kuchibana ani koto do pushana ni soko fonga mu avelera udo akobvelera indosara. No, if ni note you work, you get the recipe, every recipe go shuma, then use that recipe. All of you to go in with that recipe, push hard, do your stuff, do like man. Yeah, maybe I'll continue on this one and then I'll go deeper and check other things, but be positive, stay positive. Let your mind grow and stop just fighting for nothing. Nda amara here. Ndiba funa zone. diduka ndiswana ndingwana ndo mahongoni was those you can follow me 0826937124 ndi WhatsApp straight to the point please. Twitter ndi Nema Van Rap Radio, the Instagram kana Van Rap Radio _Nema, still Instagram. Nema wa mahongoni is Facebook. You can follow me there because I can't accept more people anymore. Yeah, www.renderfiles.co.za. You can download music uvanenge kana uploader naka www.vanrapradiostation.co.za. Ne ndi wafuna zone amara here abaditogomere babena duwa lavudi usibena zwimwe.
Every day's a celebration. They can never stop us. Bangasi para mageta para skelam key. Game like a Tory, you so special. I'm here to work hard. Teenage being a chamitambo. Itiba zwenda dera chingo data zwa mishasho.